Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing really great and welcome back to my Tech Stack Your Learning YouTube channel. So I hope you have watched videos around the generative AI and different sessions which I have did in the past. Today's sessions is on instruction based prompting, that is fourth type of prompting. So the previous sessions I have covered what is prompt engineering, what is zero shot, few shot, chain of thought prompting, and today we will go understand more on instruction based prompting. So uh, before we get into the session, if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific questions, please put it in your comment box. Okay, so let's dive in. So imagine being able to guide the AI step by step, giving its like clear instructions to get exactly what you need, right? That's the very much power of our instruction based prompting. Okay, so it is a method where we explicitly tell the GenAI what to do, how to do it, and even sometimes how to format its response, right? Whether you're working on like generating structured data, creating content, or solving complex problems, right? These techniques ensures precision and reduces ambiguity. Okay, so this is how what is about the instruction based prompting. So here let's dive in and see how detailed instructions can enhance the responses with the GenAI models. Okay, so let's first start with the simple task like summarization task. I hope if you have watched my previous sessions on few short prompting, they also have given the summarization task, but without much instructions, right? Just summarize the text. That's how we have given. So here we will try to instruct more. Okay, so I have the prompts ready with me. I'm just going to check those prompts and I'll walk you through what does it mean. Okay, summarize the following article in 100 words. You see this, summarize the following article in 100 words. We're instructing to restrict to 100 words. Okay, this is my para which I got it from the net. Okay, so I have asked to summarize this below text in 100 words. So let's hit this. Okay, so it exactly took a very short. If you don't give this in 100 words, right, it will just go on with the paras and paras and paras, right? So that is how very much important to instruct the model. Even in the previous examples I have shown on the translation, right? So let's see how this translation works. So if you see translates this English sentence into French, weather is beautiful today. Okay, so if you just hit this, it will just translate and give you back the result. Okay, so text completion. So basically if you want to complete the sentence with some complete the sentence, right? And if you want to instruct the model, okay, complete the sentence in a positive tone. I don't want any negativity in my uh, response. So I just wanted to put it in a positive note. So complete the sentence. So if you give the future prompting, you'll just give complete the sentence. But with a positive tone is an instruction to the GenAI model. Okay. With the positive tone, you give the complete this sentence. Okay. This is another example. You can see the project was challenging, but it provided an excellent opportunity. This is a positive way of handling the responses. Next, code generation. So here also I can say write a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number. Okay, so this is like giving you the what telling Gen AI what is that I'm looking for, right? Next, when it comes to the data extraction part, correct? Na? So assume you have set of things. I'll take here a very simple example of extracting a email IDs from my given details. Okay, extract all email address from the following text. Okay, so so contact us. I have two email IDs here. So if you see, it should give you two email IDs being uh, from those lists. Okay, so this is about extraction part, but when it comes to the comparison, right? So I can tell like compare the benefits of solar energy with wind energy. In the zero shot prompting, usually I'll put it here, right? But since we are instructing to give it in the bullet points, I want my output in the three bullet points, right? So that is why I'll be giving it in the three bullet points. Okay. So this is, you can see, this has given you the three bullet points. Okay. Content rewriting is another example which we can talk about, right? So rewrite this paragraph to make it more formal. So to make it more formal is an instruction which I'm giving it to GenAI. Make it very formal. I don't want anything jazzy things. Make it very formal things of doing it. And if you have any question and answering, right? So answer this question in one sentence. So what if you don't give this one sentence, right? It will be answering in its own way, its own paragraphs, its own words. I mean, it's like number of words that sentence it uses its own, right? Since we have instructed into one sentence, what happens is it will just give you the response in one sentence only. See, the capital of Japan is Tokyo, right? um, so the next one is many places we are using the sentiment analysis, right? So analyze the sentiment of this sentence. I love the way this product works. So if you just hit this, it will give you what is that sentiment, right? And if you give another instruction to this, analyze sentiment of this sentence in single word. See, it gave you positive. This is how you can make it crisp and clear responses from the GenAI. Okay. Then assume if you want formatting of the text, right? Format this text as a bullet points, as a paragraphs, or JSON, or whatever it is, right? So if you see this, format this text in bullet point list. Apples are rich in vitamins. So what happens is, since I want in bullet point, it gives you the bullet points, right? Uh, or this is another way, another formatting task, right? That is why it is good. Another one is asking GenAI, instructing GenAI to act as a role, right? You act as a certain role and give me this response, right? It's like you be as a fitness coach and create 7-day workout plan for beginners, right? So you see, this gives you the simple way work beginners, right? So it gives you the day 1, day 2, day 4, and day 6 or day 7. So because I have asked for 7 days, it gives you the 7-day workout plan. Okay. And so the next one we can see uh, anything related to the learning part, right? Like assume I want to learn some language, right? So if I ask, teach me how to greet someone in Japanese and provide the pronunciation, right? So this will help you. You can say it has given you the learning how to do this, right? And if you want GenAI to give you the any explanation of your code, right? So explain the error in this code and how to fix it, right? Or how to fix it. So what happens is it will try to figure out the issue and it will try to give you the solution as well. Okay. So you can see it has given you the explanation. It has given you how to fix it. So there are two different ways of fixing. It has been given. Okay. Okay, that's the end of this session where we have uncovered the importance of instruction-based prompting, how clear and precise guidance can give you the true results of GenAI. So by giving the thoughtful instructions, you can tackle complex tasks like basically improving response quality, minimizing the misunderstanding. Okay. So as you experiment with this technique, right, the more explicit and clear your instruction, the better the results. Okay, and here the main difference between the zero shot and this is the instruction. Zero shot is very simple, in a simple generic way of, you want to use any generic task, then you can put it as a use the zero shot. But when you want to have a clear cut responses or the precise output or the structured output, you need to put an additional instructions to the GenAI prompt. That is when you have to use the instruction based prompting. I hope you all have understood now how to use the instruction based prompting. If you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more sessions like this. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.